Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here
with Jason,
with my fiance.
Thank you for having me here.
Yeah.
On this interview.
So, I made a post on my Instagram telling you guys to send in some questions for Jason and I got a lot of questions, and I'm gonna try to just, make me and Jason run through them really quick. Oh my.
Yeah.
Short man. Mama from last night, I'll tell you about my throat. I don't have flu nor flu-like symptoms. Well, when a throat sore, it would have been like flu-like symptoms, but I know it's not flu. I just feel like I have an issue with my tonsil. I know somebody would have to remove for them because it used to give them problem. My one like always happen, but it like when it hurt, it really painful. How do you handle finances in the relationship? Budgeting, investing, bills, saving, etc.
Like what them want to know?
How do you handle finances in the relationship? We budget, and in our relationship, we don't consider stuff as 50-50.
No.
Because some days it's 30-70,
60-40,
60-40,
90-10,
yeah.
100-0.
It be like that.
When you consider yourself one, yeah, you have things where you want to designate that to yourself, but you have days where like, babe, I don't have this, so you deal with that, and it's not a problem.
Yeah.
One just take care of one. Right?
And budgeting. Budgeting is really important.
Very important.
So whenever you want to go?
Yeah, you can go.
So when I get my pay, the first thing I do is to budget. And once my bills are paid, then I do whatever after.
Before I get my pay, I budget.
Well,
so the bills are paid mentally before. So as soon as my pay hits, the first thing I do is pay my bill. I mean, what Angel do the same.
Yeah.
Yes,
We just consider ourselves to be one because whatever we have, we spend it together. But we have a look at things then what we do.
And no, you don't have to be married to consider yourself as one. We're gonna get married though. But hold on. Next thing, them say something about investing.
Yeah.
Well, me can't talk from my side. When me investing so far, so I am like a professional videographer otherwise. Like me probably should have considered myself that long time, but me just like I put the title upon my name. So me can do like weddings, videos for weddings, funerals, parties, even though I always like decline it look at party thing. I'm not a party person, so I decline them, but I do photo shoots as well. I direct music video and shoot them as well and edit them. So I find myself investing in all type of video equipment, all types. Is what I say. So that's the most of my money I got right now, because it's like creating a second or third source of income in Jamaica is very necessary. Is what I say. Now I look from one place to get change.
Not a question. I just want to say I admire both of you, and I pray the Lord will continue to bless you. Thank you so much.
We appreciate that.
Really appreciate that.
That's a good well wish.
To this date, what has living together taught you the most?
I think we can finally put like an answer upon that. You have to be ready to speak and also be equally ready to listen. That me learn like that alone will make everything. You're not gonna work. When I say work, you know mean say you know mean say you're not gonna have bad days. But you have to be equally ready to speak. Say what's on your mind. Say this, bring up that, and also be ready to listen, because most people just want to talk. They don't want to hear. So I learn say sometimes, no matter how right or wrong you're gonna be in a situation, sometimes it makes sense you quiet and listen, because you wouldn't get to hear valuable things. And as a relationship goes, it's like a compromise. You see, so that me learn. That's the biggest thing me learn. And also push it my jaw, put on my toilet seat. When she a clean, come out of the house, because when Angel clean, she be like that's scary as stuff.
So for me, We just learn say sometimes we must learn to take the lower seat. One. And two, we must give each other space. And every time we talk about space, people always come at me. But space is really important. When you live with your partner, we start to put them stuff up on back burner like, oh, we're in a one relationship, so
no.
whatever.
Then people wonder why the relationship don't work. You and the person living in the same house. Let's say when I live 5 years, that person should be. When even want to say allowed, because I come like on a rule, like I have days like hours Angel locked in the room by herself or me out or something. Me in the room I watch camera videos or watch something and we just give each other space. So it's not even like me I say, baby, I take space now. It's like when Angel see me I do something with me, like she just give me my space.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Whoa, I just realized something. You just make me think about something. Some people think about space different.
Oh yeah, because some people think say like break from relationship. No, like I have my times when when me I watch my camera videos, I don't want to hear nothing. But just want to watch videos and enhance my knowledge. And she have a time when she want to watch stuff on the internet and like be happy about it and learn stuff. Normally when it comes to current affairs, she always have to tell me because I always say I'm on the media about that, in the media. Yeah. So no, like you remember we can't talk about that when the storm here come. And I say, babe, where did you come from? And babe I say, storm. I say, what storm?
Like I met Jesse carry me to supermarket, buy up everything, come home, storm start. Jesse like,
what is?
Where did you come from?
So yeah, it's like, and trust me, that's one of like the best things. If you people always say they run like they love run out, and feel like a them stuff the cars love for run out, as what them say. Because if you live together, me not have to be in your business all the time. Yes, I say enough time in there I watch my stuff, and she had the clingy one, which everybody know. But also, me have my time in there 1 2 hours. And if for some reason me just miss her, me be like, yo, she alright. And me I walk around it, but you don't know as a talk, me not go around it, but baby miss me just come in here and look. Roll me eye 2 times and look around, and she be like, what is not doing? I just go back in because I just want to know. So she, alright, so that little space allow me to miss her and be fonder for her. So we have to allow each other to get them time. Because as a woman will jump and say, yo, what do you mean by space? But as a woman, you want your space. So as a man, we want our space too. We watch football, you know you don't understand nothing about football. Make me watch football. Isn't it?
But you don't talk when I learn? Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
What is your favorite perfume and cologne?
Alright, for me, and we just feel good to be in our relationship and like actually understand the art of a relationship. As men, when you have a good woman, them always say it's like a second mother. Certain things, I not want to stress my head out. And she know, me say it in front of her back and she laugh and she said, you stay bad or whatever. But listen, me like whatever my girlfriend give me. So it's fair. I mean I want to say duty if make it sound like it's a role. But babe, nobody never charge her.
Oh,
but trust me, enough time I go places, I nobody think about when I go here because me I say my wife have good insight of how to dress me and them stuff there. When me I go enough places, me no put on perfume, my ear just say, come go put on this for yourself. That one I go make you smell nicer today. And I love that. So it's like me can't really say I want to just work with anything what my wife say.
And also, Jason, I'm a perfume fan.
I'm not a perfume fan, but if baby girl come and say, babe, come, me want you to smell, and me just say, come, alright. Bye babe, love you. That's it.
I mean, know the type of perfume them I'm like because him have signed or something. Like me always take up stuff for me. Me live with him for a long time now, so me know like what really trigger him sign up. So when me buy, me say okay, him can manage this. Even with the detergent that when me used to wash, like when me buy detergent, me literally I smell through everything because me say alright, Jason, now I'm gonna manage this. Plus me have to try to find one of me like as well. So the two of we can say okay,
compromise.
This is it.
So what you like?
For me, I love Versace Bright Crystal. Like if you never buy nothing, buy me that Bright Crystal. I love it. If YouTube never existed, what career do you think you would be doing right now instead? For me, it's nursing. What would you do?
Oh, me still have to answer this?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Yes, Miss Jen. Baby, YouTube saved my life, babe. Trust me. Remember me it's fully depressed, babe. Not nobody have one. And even deep for them, they think something they will say to you, but never want you sad. Think about this, babe, for a second. You know some have subject can get at 9 to 5. See? How much job opportunities you see from them long time till now you could have said, Jason would have fit that one day, you know. I can't remember like ever like me see opportunities and me send them to people say, yo, go to that, but you see not where that fit me by now. You see me even having a job by now. It kinda hard. And they see that be one call center.
I'm not gonna agree.
No,
you know why I'm not gonna
how much me don't know.
I just feel like would be a nice doctor.
No, at first we back
or a pastor.
A pastor is not a job. Well, pastor is a job for those who want it to be a job. Pastor is not really a job. Pastor should be something where you want to do for carry souls to Christ. Be the pastor as your job.
It's a job.
No. Be the pastor. Me know me.
You're working for the Lord.
What is a job, babe? A job is anything you do to make an earning. If you do something and you don't get no pay, that is voluntary.
You earn blessings from the Lord. Public hospital or private hospital?
I'm never gonna bash like a public hospital.
Me either.
But if I'm in the space where I can choose a private, I'm gonna go with the private. You understand? If I can choose, because with system, it's not that it don't work, but it's not fully functional. And when we say this, the only persons that might feel away are probably the doctors and nurses, but me know doctors and nurses will tell me this too. You know, fully functional. I've been to the hospital when even my mom in the hospital, and I see people with some type of wounds outside and have to sit down in a line and wait. All of my people them were raised with me overseas. When them come out here and see them stuff, them shock like, this not happen in my country. So it's like, we not reach to that level there where the whole health space up one type of way. You see me? Most people will go public hospital. If they could, they'd go to private. I can assure you. You see what I say? So, we just not fully functionally right with it. But if I get there.
I don't have any problem with public hospital though. None at all. Because, bro, life hard.
Life hard.
It really hard. You have people when them tell us not even $5 them not have.
Them not have it,
believe
man.
it. Oxtail, curry goat or fried fish. But know what you're say.
No, you see when Angel cook curry. You see when Angel cook curry. My God.
For me, it's fried fish.
No, but you don't know what I deal with things. But I tell you the truth, man, baby, you're bad with the curry.
Yeah. What type of editing apps do you guys recommend for videos to be edited properly? For me, I use iMovie. I don't know if you can get iMovie on Android, but
you can use InShot, InShot.
Yeah.
And also
PixArt for thumbnails.
Yeah, for pictures. Also, I use Adobe Premiere. You have an app named Final Cut. But let me add this as a person where like I edit long time. Most editing apps nowadays can properly edit your video. We just have to spend time to understand it. Yeah. Because me see Angel use iMovie. And I feel like if I take up iMovie to edit a video, I done long time before because I live it, breathe it, do it. So I just say it go.
Okay.
Is it?
Any tips for upcoming YouTuber who want to become successful in YouTube? Wanna go?
Yeah, you can do it.
Research. The same YouTube where you want to be successful in it have a whole heap of video. Go up on YouTube and watch the videos, then watch tutorials and just post and not watch nobody views. If you're posting you get 10 views, continue to post because it will get there and promote yourself. Any chance where you get, just like when you repost a selfie with yourself, promote your things then.
If you depend on him, like it's sad sometimes. If you have people who sit down and repost the funny stuff and the viral stuff and them have channel and them have business and you never see them post it, so you have to really invest in yourself as much as you invest in anything else.
Yeah.
Post your stuff. If every day you post it, your WhatsApp viewer them hunger like 5 of them have view it, continue to post it. That's how things grow.
And don't be afraid to reach out to people and ask them if you can do collaboration too. If the answer is no, the answer is just no.
But try.
But try. Where do you purchase your jeans? Rainbow. So you can check them out. Sometimes I go to town and I see some. Listen.
Never you will count out down a town.
Down
a town.
Yeah. So we pass and I see one jeans and I say no man, I can't left this. So yeah. What Jesse dislike about you and vice versa. I dislike about me.
Oh, what dislike about you?
What is that, William?
I'm learning to cope with anything that had give me faults in the past. So I don't dislike anything about my fiance. I just see them little shortcomings or imperfections as something to smile at. Just like how I know say she's shy. She have this thing where she easily gets scared, extra emotional. I don't see them stuff they as cute now. I fly over the part where I feel like, yo, that's an issue for your shy. So you have to understand, people are shy, people are full of courage, and I just say go. So I learn to work with everything when I see you do. But I don't know me like.
Okay, I'm gonna cry. No, you make me feel bad for the answer. You still like an answer.
Answer that?
I mean, I lie about you.
I know what you're going to say too.
I wish I never saw Unbothered. And I don't know how to explain it because nothing wrong with you being unbothered, you know. Because people go watch and I say, no, but that's not a bad thing. But where it affects Jason, that's one my issue. Jason unbothered to the point where we get bad name and just not do nothing. And I always tell him like, babe, the fact is so unbothered. You make things slide, and then when it's time for you to tell your truth or just to tell how it really go, you make the opportunity pass you, and then you get bad name for something where you don't really do and you don't really stay so. But because you tend to not care. And I'm not saying that care is just you being unbothered. I mean, I love that because enough time I just want to get up and just talk for him, but how much time I can do that? How much time I go get put in the situation for do that? Mr. Jason literally get bad name for something, and me just want to talk for him, and I say, but if him now cough, why me go vomit? You get me?
Yo, it's just that people it's not even nothing too deep. I just learn say in a life every single human being alive have opinions. And for example, I never on my vlog and I not really smile, or Angel vlog and I not really smile. People say I'm always angry or something always do me, and
or may you have things.
I may have things. I not post a video for a week, them say how may you have. And at first I used to find myself an answer, but when I looking at myself and I say, yo, people always do this. That just show me say, yo, opinions always a go do it, and I can't run down every single person will come. And really and truly, you know, it's not good for you to get bad name for me get bad name for most of the time, you know. But really and truly, I can't run down every single person and say, change your mind on this because it's not so. I don't have the energy for do it. So a lot of time people see me and it's like, them give me a face until they hear me speak to them. They be like, yo, that do that. And really, but I can't change your opinion. I understand this, and literally, we say this right now, you still have people who feel how they feel regardless. So I just learn it. I just my mentality and the mature side, and I just know say, yo bro, you can't change how people think. And that's why sometimes I say, babe, nobody say nothing. Because sometimes she want to defend me too, because she know say her husband no stay so. But guess what can I do? Her opinion. I mean, I have no desire to change how a person view me. Is me just have to do with me. At the end of the day, sometimes the truth will come out. Sometimes in the wisdom in the future, you say, you know, say, never stay so, or, you know, I never do this or I never do that. So if you come out, you come out. If you don't come out, God go with you. Next.
Or the Lord will tell them.
The Lord will tell you.
What was your first job?
Yours?
What? My first job. You know what I'm stepfather I am my first work what I ever do other than what you call that when you got high school?
Volunteer service.
Yeah, other than that? No.
Oh, you know your job that maybe. You volunteer. What did you do?
Just help in the canteen.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, my first job, I used to work with a lawyer. What was I again, babe, at the time? I don't really know. I don't know. What I used to work with, assistant.
Yeah. How are you doing mentally? Can you answer first?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Mentally, I'm doing good. It's just my throat that hurt me. That's my only issue.
That's physically.
Yeah, physically. But mentally, I'm doing good. I've been happy. Like, really happy. Genuinely happy. You know that? You see that?
I see. Mentally, I am good also. I did not the space so I never did want to like, create no YouTube video for your time. And I start with the series and I kind of feel that like energy there. But you don't know. I'm alright.
Angel, are you still planning on going back to school? Yes, I really want to. I just want the nursing. No, I think that.
I think that man, trust me.
Yeah. Do you guys have any plan to build your own home in the future?
Definitely.
Definitely. Not a question, but I love you. Yeah. Not a question, but I love you. Yeah, you are just different, and I like that you remind me of myself. Aww. Thank you so much. Guys, trust me, be yourself. When take for be yourself, like easiest thing that you know. Me just be myself, and who love me, and that's it. Just be yourself. What advice would you give your younger self about being in love and relationship?
Oh, younger self.
Yeah.
I would tell my younger self, say, yo, no focus on no girl. Can't take up my book them and do what I have to do. When the age reach come for me have girlfriend and them the right way, when I could have take it serious, I tell my younger self, say, just build that. Just build. Like, bro, I've been through sorrows. Even the one that did funny, me look on the back now as sorrow. God know. Like, it teach me, yes, but at the same time, I know my pray me never have to go there, so.
Yeah. But just feel like say when you want a certain age, you must act that age and don't rush it.
True, man.
Just life is just it's like a step. There's levels to it.
Levels to it.
And the level where you reach, just be of that age there and do what you need to do in that time.
Yeah.
So if you watch this, I mean know some have a whole heap of teenager watch me. And trust me. Just do what you have to do. Do your schoolwork. Do the right thing. Because when you reach the age,
it'll come.
It'll come.
Focus.
No run
if
down
you're in
nothing.
school, focus on school. If you're there work, focus to build an empire.
And if you're there at school and you feel like say you not work out for you and you want to go do something to get a skill, tell your parents or tell your guardian, tell them, because let me tell you something, you know, and everybody can manage the whole school thing too, you know.
Over that.
And we need to stop bash them. If you realize that them can't manage school like focus, do something, get a skill. And you know, that's our next topic to yourself. But no rush life. Don't rush it. What is your first impression of Jason? Same question for Jason. On the internet, me did I say him funny.
Alright, go ahead,
Yeah,
next.
you're just a funny guy.
The lyrics them there is depend.
Why your first impression about me?
First time I see you. The very first time I see you, I look by you, I look way, and every whole day, everywhere I come to see you. That's how I watch out my team. I said that girl I like me, you know. That's the first impression. First
I remember where?
Volumat. When me a text now, I said, thank God she have sense can communicate. I was talking to you and he was answering, he wasn't good. Cool. I can't deal with it. So, the girl must stay so, I not know, but I could have never see myself. Nobody now come after you, you know. You are you, you know. We to like. But me I tell you, if I could have reversed back in that day, but that definitely not. I can't deal with somebody with a bit like a doorknob. Dumb as a doorknob. Cool. Okay. I can't do it. When I want to express myself to you, I want to hear back something. And it's not about the big words. I need you to communicate. How you feel, B? I don't feel so well, and I feel that pain on my knee. Me take that. Good. Bad.
How do you feel about Razor short film? Them, are you proud of his work? So
Let's say that today.
I'm really proud. Like when I see the storyline,
yeah, see a man in the house, I think them something there.
may I say, you're talented, you know?
You would have a little thing about one film, man.
You're talented.
Free, man.
I always admire that boy. You just need to pray and go through.
And that is it.
How do you keep the relationship happy?
How we keep a relationship happy? I try to keep my girl happy, you know, the relationship still, to be honest. I try to keep my girl happy.
If you make me happy, the relationship happy. If you make you happy, the relationship
yeah, so
happy.
I try to focus on she. I always tell her stories, babe, it's not about the relationship. How do you feel? How do I feel? Because sometimes it's like, it's all I know all about the relationship. What about you as an individual? If you individually don't happy, you think say relationship are happy?
True.
Some of them reasoning are when if you happy with the partner, but I know everybody can do this. If you like say alright, you buy her stuff, she happy. I don't say a word.
And I communicate about my feelings as well a lot. If you not sit well with me, I talk about it, I don't just sit down and I say, watch out. Because them things that only make the relationship get worse. You get me?
Yeah.
So I communicate about my feelings and I make things clear. And whatever can be worked on, you know, we just work on it and move forward. But me full of surprises. There are a lot of things you guys don't see.
Yeah, exactly.
Enough time Jesse come in and me know some things.
Yeah, man. You know the funny thing, baby, you know say me surprise you a lot too. But you just beat me with it.
Yo, it's so funny. We need to give them a story time. Sometimes I have some things.
No, you know, me figure out what the issue is.
You know me we like me can do, me just do me do things.
Me figure out the issue say because we don't really push the sexual side of the relationship on the forefront.
No.
And that me figure out say that the issue enough time. We don't push out that. You know see me naked on the top. Well not be. My girl naked on the top.
We spice up a relationship.
Yeah, that's that. I'm mature, we're mature. I just that.
Are we getting a weather series or little updates? Yeah, definitely.
Right, a wedding series, man. I said, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you thinking of having a bridal shower when the time comes? Yes. At the early stage of your relationship, could you tell that Jesse would be your future husband and how?
You couldn't tell.
I couldn't tell.
No, okay.
We couldn't tell. But at the same time, me didn't know say me like him.
When I start live with him, I know I could have wife. I never know before that.
My battery are dead, so I'm probably gonna end up my video now. How much more question? Jesus. But yeah. You comment below if you want part 2. Once me there with you and you have ambition, we will work together. And you know, me did a plan like it down in the relationship. Me start to see my future with them. I say, okay, this are the person where you know me want to have my kids them with.